Good morning. I wasn't going to do a video, but it's so beautiful in here. I thought I'd just walk around a little bit. It's July 27th, and things are going really good in the greenhouse. I've been practicing the deep watering, and boy, the squash and all these plants with fruit and stuff are really loving it. So I'm just going to walk you around here and show you. So I always like to check on these squash because I got to teach them to climb, and they are definitely climbing. They're going to be filling this up before we know it. But one of the reasons I wanted to start showing is, look at here, they're starting to form, lots of them. And every day I come in here, and now these are climbing over the top pretty good, so I don't have to worry about those too much. But I've had to train them to go up here. Now they're doing really well. Ooh, mosquitoes are coming out. Finally got some zinnias. They're coming up in here, and the peas turned out to be sweet peas. Well, that's okay. They're pretty. Beans should be starting to come on here pretty good. Wow. It's just beautiful. Oh, dogs. Checking on things. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, isn't it? Well, you guys can go out. Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy, Lucky. Yeah, going out with Roscoe. The doggies are having fun. It is such a beautiful morning. I'm going to walk around on the inside. Well, while I'm out here. A few corn stalks made it. The pole beans are starting to come up here. We're going to have warm weather the next 10 days. These squash will really take off. And these pole beans will too. Something's happened to the bush beans. I'm just really not seeing too many. There's some in there, but I don't know if the rabbits got the little sprouts or not. We'll just keep waiting, but it's the same company I got the pole beans from. I just don't really know. Look at that. Our first nice, beautiful sunflower. Oh, that's a painting in the making for me, that's for sure. Wow. Okay. Some hollyhocks. It's still really wet in here. Maybe some of you haven't seen potato flowers up close. Look at those guys. Pretty. Head back in the greenhouse.
Bye.